today we're drawing
noses and mouths from Animal Crossing.
Yeah.
We already drew eyes,
14
different ones from Animal Crossing. Today we're drawing noses and mouths. And there's only 3 noses, right? So all you need are orange markers, because that's what the Animal Crossing noses are, but you can have any color you want. Make sure there's a dark color and a light color, because we're gonna do the shines. And just a black marker. All right, ready for the nose?
Yes.
Okay, the first one is just a triangle shape, but the tricky part is there's gonna be a darker part and a lighter part. Okay, so draw a small line down, vertical line down. So that just means straight line down, okay? And then we're gonna draw a diagonal line down towards the bottom, and it's gonna meet together with another straight line across.
And color it.
Exactly, we're gonna color it with our darker color. Okay, and then with your lighter orange color, we're going to draw the same triangle, but the opposite direction. So draw a diagonal line out, and then a horizontal line in.
And color it.
Yeah, and that's the nose. I'm just gonna straighten it out a little bit. Mine's a little lopsided.
Mine's a little too light.
That's fine. That probably just means your character has lighter skin or something. So Art Along Friends, we're learning how to draw all these different shapes and body parts or face parts so that we can draw our own Animal Crossing character.
Yeah.
Okay, ready for the next nose? Take your darker marker. And then let's draw a sideways oval. Yeah, and then there's a shine part to this nose, so let's draw a smaller circle on the top left corner. And then color in the rest of the oval with that same darker orange color. And then leave that shine empty because we're gonna use our lighter orange to color it in. There you go. Okay, well this is lots of good practice for our character, huh? Yeah, don't ever give up, Art Along Friends. Okay, so next one is a rectangle shape. So let's draw a rectangle, but it doesn't have to be too angular. It can have curves, corners. And then this one, okay, try to make a bigger shine area. We're going to draw a smaller, thin rectangle on the top left corner. Yeah, good job. And then we'll color in the rest of the rectangle, but not the shine. And that's it.
Yeah.
Those are the 3 noses from Animal Crossing.
Now let's do the mouths.
Yes. So I got my black marker. Ready for this? There are 4 different mouths, and they're all very simple. Okay. At the end, let's pick which one our favorites are.
Okay.
Okay. So the first one is just a regular smiley face, but make it a little bit more deep. Yeah, good job. The next one is another smiley face, but it's wider. So make a bigger smiley face. I think this is when you have a really big smile. And then the next one is kind of like a pouty face or a pursed lips maybe. Yeah, but it has these bumps. So one little smiley and another smiley.
It looks like a cat.
Yeah, it's like a little snout that you would use for animals. That's why it's cuter, huh? Okay, the next one is even cuter. Okay, let's draw another smiley. This one has a little tooth sticking out. Yeah, so we'll draw part of a rectangle right underneath it.
It looks like a bunny.
Yeah. So these 2 are cute ones, huh? Yeah, and these are more regular smiles. But that's it, Art Along Friends. We've drawn the noses and the mouths from Animal Crossing.
I think my favorite's this one.
Yeah?
And this one.
Mine is this cute nose and this cute mouth. Well, Art Along Friends, check out our How to Draw 14 Different Animal Crossing Eyes before you come join us next time for drawing our own Animal Crossing character.
Yeah!
Okay.
Bye.
See you next time, everyone.
Like and subscribe to Art Along for more